In today's video, we're unboxing and testing the Money Clip wallet from PunCube. Let's get into it. PunCube, I found out, is a EDC brand from Hong Kong, and I think that their aim is to be just like fun and exciting, and let's see what their product is all about. I haven't worked with them before. I haven't had my hands on one of their products, so let's get this box open and see what we've got. What? Oh, it's a magnet? That's cool. Whatever's in this box is a magnet. Okay, Mech Wallet model 8807. It's kind of hard to see maybe with the light, but this is like really high grade, like presentation. This is crazy. It's got raised lettering on the tin. This is really, really cool. It also has a number built into it. I don't know if that's a serial number that's unique to me or just a model number, but it says the model is 8807. So I think it's cool that it's like so personalized. That's crazy. Should we open the tin first? Let's open the tin first. Okay, wow. What in the world? Dude, this is fancy. Look at that. This is way nicer than the wallet that I have now. Whoa, this is cool. This looks really nice. So I really like the beveled edging here. It says PunCube on the side, but it's not so, oh, that's how it opens. It slides. Whoops, cool. It says PunCube over here. It doesn't like distract or take away from the overall build quality or anything like that. It just looks really, really cool. And we're gonna set this aside for right now, but it's got nano gel Money Clip installation instructions here. Model 8807, it's an aluminum alloy. Just slides like that. Listen to the mic. Sounds cool. I like it. I really, really like it. It sounds nice. Okay, and then also in the box, we've got some little tiny baby screws. We've got a money clip right here. It says Mech Wallet. It says reusable and easy to remove or reposition, wash and dry to restore the stickiness. So this is the money clip, and I guess you can move it around. So that's pretty cool. And then there's a, wow, a really beefy screwdriver in here. Never seen a screwdriver quite like this. And the tip comes out and goes back in, but that's kind of neat. Dude, this is like built in, ready to go gift packaging for dad or brother or a husband or like the guy that you want to date or whatever. This is nice. Okay, cool. I want to see what is in this other box too. Okay, this box says the same thing, Mech Wallet model 8807 and 421701 HIP 70890, designed by PunCube Inc. What is it? I feel like I should know sometimes what things are. I just don't. Okay. This is cool. What is this? It's leather. It opens up as well. Oh, does it stick to here? It'll screw to there. I see the screw holes now. It's real leather. I can tell by the smell. This is really nice. What a great presentation. I love it. I'm gonna screw this in. There it is. That's really nice. So you can open this up. This part here must be for my driver's license and my credit cards and stuff like that. This is the wallet that I've been sporting just to show everyone the difference here in quality and build. This is just like cheap, old, and kind of beat up. And this is just like, this says I got something going on. I really like this a lot. It's got that leathery smell to it. I love the clicking sound too when you open it. Listen, I'll hold it up to the mic. Listen. It's really nice. Love it. Let's put some of my cards in there and see how they feel. I got my all my cards here. My Prime card. Gotta have your Prime card. That's really, really nice to have for Amazon or whatever else you need. So these aren't going to fit here. This must be for cash, maybe business cards, but these are going to slide right in here, I think. What? There's something that holds them in too, because I don't have enough to like really cram in there. There's something in there grabs the cards so they don't like fall out or something. Okay, one's out. Those are still like, two's out. That one's still just like kind of locked in. There's like a friction thing holding everything in place in there. That's pretty cool. That's really, really neat. All right, sorry to get so geeked out about a wallet, but like this is really cool. It feels great. I like the smell of it. I like the feel of it. I also have the money clip if I wanted to take this part off and put the clip on either side. Oh, actually, I could just put it on this side if I wanted. The Mech Wallet is set up to hold up to 5 embossed cards or 6 flat cards. And when you, it's kind of cool how it displays them, because I'm noticing now, like when you open it, it does the cards like separate. So it separates them all so they don't all go out the same length together, and makes it a lot easier to sort through or grab like just the top one. And then when you close it, you just pinch them back into place there. So I really like it. I like how it feels. I like that it's a better use of space than my current wallet. My current wallet doesn't fit in my pocket as well because it just sticks out. And I wear mine in my front pocket because I don't have to sit on it that way. So compared to this one, this old wallet of mine is only as big as the cards, but thicker. This Mech Wallet is a lot thinner and just slightly bigger. And I think that's gonna be a better fit for me for day to day. I'm also excited to see how the leather wears on it, because nothing's cooler than worn leather, especially for an EDC product. So I'm excited to start using this. This is definitely, just based on what I've seen so far today, going in my pocket. This is my now everyday carry wallet. And then I'm gonna pull out the 5 or 6 essential cards out of my old wallet. We're just gonna send this one aside because I'm switching over to the PunCube Mech Wallet. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you wanna learn about how to get your own Mech Wallet, click on the link in the description down below. They've got a lot of other great products, including a potential titanium wallet coming up. I hope I get to sample that one because it looks sick, and just the titanium look, feel, everything. But they do have new exciting products coming out all the time. So whenever it is that you happen upon this video, click the link down below. Hey, real quick question, leave me a comment. What are you guys rocking in your pockets for 2026? These are my everyday carry. I've got my iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I gotta say is maybe a little bit big for a pocket carry. Especially with the bulky case that I have on there. So I hope to downsize that at some point, but I also hope to never have to buy a phone again, because it's just, I'd rather spend the money elsewhere. And then I've got my brand new PunCube Mech Wallet. Love it. Love the sound, love the feel, love the touch. And of course my Kershaw Spring Assist. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you got anything from today's video, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to learn more about PunCube and their awesome EDC products, go ahead and click the link down in the description, and I hope you guys have a good one. This other wallet needs to just like go in the closet. Stay out of my closet. Okay, ready to rock here. I got some cash, money, business card holder right here. Oh, is a business card gonna fit in there? On the outside pouch? Let's try it out. It's my business card. My business cards are a little bit bigger than standard. Let's see if this is gonna fit. There we go. Probably fit a few of them in there. Love that. Cool. Put that away. Back in the old pocket. All right. Have a good one, guys.